Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the Minecraft exit error code 1 on your PC. Let's fix it guys. First we will access your Minecraft file. To do this, go to search menu and type percentage app data, percentage again. Opens up a file folder, click on open it. You just need to double click on the Minecraft folder. Inside the Minecraft folder, you just need to double click on the mods folder. Mods are often the cause of the Minecraft exit error you are getting guys. You just want to select all the mods you are having it. Move all files from a new folder in desktop and take a backup of it guys. Just need to type here backup mods backup file PACKUP. You just need to paste in the folder in here guys. You just need to copy it in the mods folder in Minecraft and paste it in the mods backup, and after that you just need to delete the mods folder inside the Minecraft. You just want to delete all of these, and we just take it the backup. And now you just need to open the Minecraft and check your problem solved or not. This will remove the mods and enabling you to relaunch Minecraft to see if this help to fix the problem. If the problem persists, then you just need to delete the Minecraft folder guys. In here you just need to delete the Minecraft folder. Before deleting it, you just need to make sure the resources packs and saves are packed up. These two are important guys, because deleting Minecraft folder will wipe out the game including and any texture you are saved or Minecraft world you are created. So you just need to take a backup of these two folders guys, resources packs and save as. Just need to take the backup, and now proceed to delete it guys, the Minecraft folder. Now you just need to right click on it and select deleted the Minecraft folder, and after deleting it, then reinstall the Minecraft and check your problem solved or not. The game will be reinstalled when you open the Minecraft launcher, and all the original game files will be back guys. And once the game is installed, you can copy your backup folders again and proceed to paste them back into the original location. This will fix the Minecraft error code 1 issue you are getting. If this doesn't help you, then you just need to go to Google Chrome web browser and search Java Presenter. Opens up official java.com. Click on the official site. You just need to click on the download Java and download it guys. After getting downloaded, you just need to install it. This is the latest version of Java, and after installing it, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. Hopefully your problem solved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.